Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to change the machine info. That is metadata. Machine info is nothing but the metadata in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 operating system. So first open the terminal, login as a root user. So hostname ctl command. So here you can see that already I have static hostname, deployment name, chassis name, icon name, location name. So all these are set. So let me open the machine info file. So cat slash etc slash machine info. So here you can see that 4 entries are there. Okay, location name, deployment name, chassis name. So you can modify this location name directly in machine info file. So I am modifying the location name. Also I am going to change the deployment name. So that is I am going to change the environment name from production to staging. So I am saving the machine info file. So you can see that it's modified. So now let me type the hostname ctl command. Yes, so you can see that deployment name, location name, it's got updated. So you can directly update the location name, that is deployment name also you can update directly in machine info file. So it will got updated automatically. So these are the entries which does not affect the static hostname, etc, etc. So here you see that I have set the pretty hostname using hostname ctl command. Now let me check the slash etc slash machine info. Yes, you can see that pretty hostname is got updated in machine info. So these are the metadata used for display purposes, especially set by administrators.